Oh. Don't eat it, ha? Tingnan mo siya, if he's gonna eat, ha? Don't eat that. So you have something too. Oh. Today, our goal is to find Bart's milk. It's a formula for babies who have cow's milk allergy. It's usually out of stock, so hopefully we'll find one today.
Cooking video with Bart. We're making donuts. We got the eggs, the yeast, the flour is right there. Even got the salt, and Bart is just smiling, laughing like and we got the butter. We're not making pizza yet. It says, okay. Isn't that the same thing? No, it's butter. So. Mix. GB. Mix the butter. Eggs. Welcome to the world. The yeast. One. Two. Pack.
Some.
We're making three. We're gonna smash some dough. Four. That's so much to make dough.
Okay, close
You
it.
love making donuts? Tell me.
If you like this video, can you please subscribe, like, and share this video to anyone?
So it won't stick?
Give him some flour. Give him something. Don't eat it, ha? Tingnan mo siya, if he's gonna eat, ha? Don't eat that. So you have something too. Oh. Yay! Thank you. How are you doing, Bart? I can see you. Are you good? Hi, baby. Don't eat. Yun na lang yung flour na lang.
No.
He likes the flour. Wait. Oh, yan. Like this, oh, you copy Dikong. Move your hand. Roll. Roll in your hand. Kala ko nasumo. Ay, check. Okay. No more. Ito na lang sa'yo. This one's yours. Mix it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes more. And let it rest for 2 hours.
Roll the dough. Donut.
What's the taste? How will you rate it?
A normal glazed donut.
No more. What can you say? How is
But
it?
have the glazed crunch.
Huh?
It's good though.
For the baby? Okay, what can you say? Okay, what can you say, Bart? Sit yummy? What can you say?